If you're using the iCandy orange with the carrycot attached, you have to remove that before you can collapse the buggy. To do that, press on these buttons on either side, press them in and lift off the carrycot. If you're using the iCandy orange with the seat attached in world-facing mode, you can collapse the buggy with the seat still attached. To do that, press on the underside of these buttons on either side and lift them up, pull them up towards you, press down on the handlebars, and from this point you only need one hand and the buggy will collapse down. To unfold the iCandy orange, first you have to locate this small pale grey clip. It can be a bit fiddly to find as it's on the basket when the buggy is upright. Lift it up towards you. It can get a little bit stuck. And then that releases the lock mechanism and you can pull the buggy up